The sun shone brightly into the Little Ideas workshop, a colorful place filled with recycled materials where children busily worked on their projects. In one corner, Lena brainstormed ideas, Kareem connected wires, and Sarah organized cans, all watched over by their smiling mentor, Mr. Ahmed. Lena burst with enthusiasm, suggesting they build a machine to make clouds rain colors. Kareem looked skeptical, asking how they would even make the clouds. But Sarah suggested starting smaller, with something to create joy in the workshop. Lena's eyes lit up, proposing a joy machine that would make funny sounds and flashlights when people walked by. Kareem showed interest, thinking of an old toy car motor, and Sarah happily envisioned using colorful cans for the lights. Days and nights passed quickly as Lena drew intricate designs. Kareem wrestled with wires, and Sarah carefully glued cans and placed batteries. Lena noticed a part needing to spin faster, but Kareem found the motor was not strong enough. Sarah then found a smaller motor in an old toy box. They tried again. Something fell. They laughed and then fixed it, as Mr. Ahmed gently reminded them that perseverance was key. Finally, opening day arrived. The workshop filled with curious children and parents, eager to see their invention. Courageously, Lena introduced their joy and sound machine as Kareem turned it on, making lights flash and cheerful sounds surprise everyone. The audience applauded warmly, gathering around the machine while some children playfully imitated its happy noises. Moments later, Lena, Kareem, and Sarah stood beside Mr. Ahmed, their faces beaming with pride. Mr. Ahmed praised them, calling them heroes who turned imagination into joy, and reminded them to keep dreaming and building, inspiring all.